this is Brian with Casualty Power Sports. We are a trail armor dealer. We're going to put a trail armor skid plate on the Pro R. All right, so now we're going to show you the difference between the stock skid plate and the trail armor skid plate. The stock skid plate is this thick, as you can see, which is like 5 millimeters. It's really flimsy, and you don't have protection from the front differential fold. Anything this flimsy is going to have a rock that goes through it, and it's going to tear and it's going to scrape and all. So we're going to move to this trail armor skid plate. This trail armor skid plate comes with rockers, so you don't have to buy rockers, and you could use it as a step. So it's going to go up next to the car. It's going to protect all of your side plastics. This material is going to slide on rocks. So as soon as you get hung up on the center, if you have a little bit of momentum, you're going to crest over the fulcrum, or you're going to fall back. So you can give a little bit more momentum and you can get over the rock. This one is going to grab the rock because it's going to fold up, and it's going to form to the rock, and it's going to get you stuck because it's too pliable to slide over the rock like this material. This will stay hard and it will slide perfectly. The reason you don't want to go to an aluminum skid plate or a metal skid plate is because that will grab the rock worse than the stock skid plate. They're less expensive. They conform to the rock when you hit it if they bend. So you will have a smashed up rock grabbing skid plate. The trail armor skid plate installed, you can see all the new fasteners. So the stock car had about maybe 10% of these fasteners, and now we have a lot more fasteners, which makes it fun to install. It's a little bit vigorous. You have to drill some holes and put some heavy plastic up into the bottom of the vehicle. But now you can see that the vehicle is protected from the middle here all the way out to the kick panel. You utilize the stock plastic piece here on the Pro R. We'll mesh into the skid plate on the bottom, so you keep your protection here and you are protected up into the corner. What is normally not protected is this sheet here in the front of the vehicle, and this is now protected, and it will glide you over any rock. You have some sliders back here for your trailing arms, so if you were to slide over a rock, you are not hitting metal, and then it slides down to your trailing arms as well. So another thing that's very important about this skid plate is protecting the transmission housing, especially this lower point right here. People are bashing those up, and it's very expensive to replace.